Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Amazon Prime Day, which is today and tomorrow. I've been working a lot lately, so I don't have the time to do it, but I'm still going to try to make a video with a couple deals that I think is worth mentioning. So the Prime Day start today and tomorrow. So and some of the deals requires you to be a Prime member, and you can join for 30 days, and then if you think that it's not for you, then you can cancel it, or you can keep it. I think about $15 a month. Okay, so the first deal that we're looking at is this portable power station jackery. This is 1000 Pro. This one, it says right here that you can charge it with the solar 800 watts input, and this is 1002 watt hours. And I think this is the newer version. That's why the review, you only see 174 right here. And if we click on here, it says that it has something special right here. It says receive one Jackery sided solar panel 80 watt free when you purchase one or more Jackery Explorer 1000 Pro portable power station. So this one, it comes with the 80. There's a special promo right now that it's, you add both of them together, then it's the solar's panel will be free, and it's $699. Okay, so this is good for somebody who wants to, who likes to go camping, or just in case if there's like a little bit of blackout for like a short while, and you can use this to charge all your portable devices, laptops, cell phones, etc. Okay, so it might even run your coffee maker as well too, just as long as your coffee maker is under 1000 watts. Okay, that's one of the deals. And regular price is $1,099. Right now you can get it for $699. Okay, and this is a Prime Day deal. So another one that we have is this brand Anchor. This one regular price is $13.99, and currently we can get it for $699. And this one, it's a little bit higher, 1500 watts. And this one, let me see, 1500 watt solar generator, and the battery size I think is also bigger than the other one. The other one 1002. This one is 1249 watt hours, not bad. And this is LiPo 4 battery chemistry, which is good. You can use auto weight to 0%. And let's see, this one this one doesn't come any solar panels for free. So the deal is it's already 50% off, so still not bad. If you're in the market for portable power stations, this Anchor is a well-known brand. They do a lot of make a lot of charger, cable, stuff like that, and now they're getting to portable power stations. Okay, so and this one, it says right here, it's fully backed up by 5 years warranty, so which is not bad. Most of the ones out there are just like 1 year, 2 years, but this one for 5 years. So if you're looking for power stations, look into this one. Okay, so the next one what we have is this one, NVMe drive. During my last couple of videos, I keep mentioning that for some reason the drives keep on going down and down and down, which is better for consumers like us. Okay, if we need a lot of storage at an affordable price, we can't go wrong with this. 4 terabyte for $159. Regular price $229, and right now we can get it for $159, which is awesome. So this is gonna speed up the speed of your computer. It's good for your storing like pictures, video. Okay, 3,500 megabit per second. Okay, you store a lot of data on this one too. And this one, I believe it is a 5 years warranty as well. Let's see if it says somewhere over here. Let's see, check on more. If not, it'd be about 2 years warranty. Let me see, is it 5 years? Where does it say something? 5 years? No, I don't see it. If it's not there, then it's what? Maybe 2 years warranty. Most of them. Some come with 5. All right. So if you want an affordable drive that has a lot of storage, $159 for 4 terabyte. All right. And next up, the one that we have here is a crazy deal. This is a 2 terabyte Samsung 980 Pro SSD. This is by far one of the best out there. As you can see, the reviews 5 stars out of 5, 28,000 reviews, and regular price $159. Now we can get it for $99. Okay, this one does come with a heat sink as well. This one is compatible with the PS5, so anybody's out there looking for to expand it or hard drive for PS5, this is it. Okay, look at the speed; it's crazy fast. All right. And regular price $159, we get it now for $99. Okay, this is awesome too. Next one we have is this scooter right here. This is a well-known brand, Segway, and regular price is $619. Right now, Prime Day deal, we can get it $349. And they have many different versions, not just only this one, but that's like 40% off of this one right here. And this one's like 300-watt motors. It goes 13.7 to 28 miles range, and it's 12.4 to 18.6 miles per hour. Dual density tires, ABS brake, commuter for adults. Look at the review for this. It's 1,879 reviews, okay, and 4.5 out of 5, which is not bad at all. And again, like I think they have many different types. You can check them out depending on your likes and whatever you want to buy. But remember, this one's not on sale right now. Only the other ones. Let's check this one. This one only 18%, so I think by far this is better. 44%. Okay, so if you're in the market for a scooter, well-known brand, you know, this is it. Last but not least, this is Samsung's. I think I bought one of these for my Tesla, and I paid like maybe 130, 150 for 2 terabyte. And this one right now is 4 terabyte for $199. Regular price is $429. Right now, 53% off. Okay, so I already made a video about this drive right here. If you when you buy it, you can use it for your Tesla, because the Tesla that comes with it is like 120 megabyte, and that one is not that big. It's just a small little flash drive. This one is a 4 terabyte. You can do a lot of stuff with this. You can partition like into 4 folders. One maybe for your Sentry mode, the other one's for your juice box, for your lightning, for your you name it, for your audio, MP3s, whatever you need to do, you can do it with this, okay? And rest assured, 4 terabyte, you can save a lot of data. You don't have to worry about the data being overlapping, looping, erasing where you need it most, okay? By far, if any items on here, I think anybody that owns a Tesla, I suggest them buy this one right here. Okay, $199, guys. Okay, and if you watch my last, I'm not sure if the latest one, but a couple of videos prior, I did show you guys how to format it. Okay, so how to set it up with your Tesla. Other than that, that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for staying all the way to the end. If you guys like the savings, you know, or if this video helped you save some money, feel free to give it a like. And if you love the channel, please subscribe for more videos like this. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.